In this lesson, you will learn the most common greetings in English for both casual and formal settings, and how to respond to them naturally. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's up?
Not much, just the usual.
Sup?
Hey, not much.
Hey there.
Hi, how are you doing?
How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good morning.
Morning. How are you today?
How have you been?
I've been busy, but good.
Nice to see you.
You too. It's been a while.
How's your day?
It's going well so far.
Hey, how's everything?
Everything is fine, thanks.
Long time no see.
I know. How have you been?
How are things?
Things are great. Thanks for asking.
What's new?
Not a lot, just working hard.
What's happening?
Not much, just heading home.
How's life?
Life is good.
How do you do?
How do you do?
What are you up to?
Just grabbing some coffee.
Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
How's your morning going?
It's been a bit hectic.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
How's your family?
They're doing well, thank you.
How was your weekend?
It was very relaxing.
What's going on?
Not a lot, just keeping busy.
How are you getting on?
Very well, thanks.
Nice day, isn't it?
It sure is.
Ready for the day?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Good to see you again.
Same here. Keep in mind that English is flexible, so you don't always have to use the exact responses we've practiced. Instead, you should feel free to choose whichever response feels right for your specific situation and the person you're speaking with. To show you how this works, let's look at how versatile these phrases can be. For instance, if you hear these greetings, "How are you?" "How's it going?" "How's everything?" or "How are things?" you can simply respond with, "I'm doing well, thanks." Similarly, if someone asks you, "What's up?" "What's happening?" "What are you up to?" or "What's new?" a very common way to answer is, "Not much." If you're asked, "How are you?" "How's it going?" "How's your day?" or "How's life?" a great go-to response is, "Pretty good." Now, if the greeting is, "How have you been?" "How's your week?" or "What's new?" you can naturally say, "Busy as usual." In situations where someone says, "Nice to see you," "Good to see you again," or "Pleasure to meet you," you can respond by saying, "Same here," or "Likewise." And finally, if you hear, "You all right?" "How are you getting on?" or "How's everything?" you can keep it simple by responding with, "Not bad, thanks."